Still spending hours creating videos? What if I told you this entire 3D scene was created using just prompt? You can generate it in seconds. That can completely change the way you create AI 3D cinematic videos, miniature-style visuals. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at what we're going to create. No After Effects, no complex software, just AI. No more wasting time on heavy editing. Just single prompt plus image plus an AI video tool and your AI 3D cinematic videos, miniature-style visuals is ready. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we need to generate an image. For that, search for Nano Banana. Then click on Try Nano Banana 2. Once the page opens, enter the prompt. Make sure your prompt includes all the necessary details to get the exact image you want. After entering the prompt, click Submit. Your image will be generated. Now your image is ready. If it looks good, simply click on the download icon to save it. Next, we convert this image into a video. For that, you can use any AI tool like Seedance, Kling AI, VO, or Vids. Here, I'm using Vids because it's completely free. Just drag and drop your image here. Then, copy the prompt and paste it into the prompt section. If you don't know where to find Vids, click on the Google Apps dots icon. Select Vids. Once you open it, you'll see options like Landscape, Portrait and Square. Choose your format and click on Blank. Now click on the VO icon, paste your prompt and upload your image. Also, add a line in the prompt to avoid distortion in the video. Finally, click on Generate. Once the video is ready, click Insert and your motion graphics video is done. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Techo World for more amazing AI tools. Let me know in the comment box if this video was helpful to you. And if you need any help, feel free to comment. I'll help you out. Share this video with your friends who might find it useful. And don't forget to check out my other videos on AI content creation. Thank you for watching the video. I will meet you in next video and have a nice day.